Imagine having a landing page that works like your best salesperson 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A page that doesn't just explain what your business does, but actively convinces visitors to trust you, engage with your brand, and become customers. The problem is that most businesses create landing pages that only share information. They describe products and services, but fail to guide visitors toward taking action. That's exactly what this prompt framework is designed to help you do. What you're looking at here is not just a normal AI prompt template. It is a structured, conversion-focused prompting system engineered to help AI create complete landing pages using proven marketing principles and sales psychology. Inside this framework, there are two types of sections you need to understand. The first are customizable variables, such as your business name, offer, target audience, and unique selling proposition. These are the parts you can change based on your business. The second are instructional sections, which are not meant to be edited. These guide the AI on how to structure the page and apply conversion strategies. Now, starting with the role section, this is where you define what the AI becomes before it starts writing. In this framework, the AI is assigned the identity of a senior copywriter, marketing strategist, and conversion specialist. The purpose of this section is to make the AI think like a professional marketer whose goal is generating results rather than simply creating content. Next is the task section, which defines the objective of the landing page. Instead of telling the AI to write a web page, this section instructs it to create a high-converting landing page designed to generate leads, inquiries, consultations, or sales. The purpose is to keep the output focused on business growth. After that comes the business details and goals sections. This is where you provide information about your business, products, services, audience, and desired outcome. The purpose is to ensure the landing page feels personalized and aligned with your goals instead of sounding generic. Next is the target psychology section, which teaches the AI how potential customers think before making a decision. This section focuses on building trust, reducing uncertainty, creating desire, and removing objections. The purpose is to make the page persuasive without sounding overly salesy. Then we move into the page structure section, which acts as the blueprint for the entire landing page. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. This includes the hero section, benefits, social proof, FAQs, and calls to action. The purpose is to guide visitors through a logical journey that increases the chances of conversion. After that comes the copy requirements and conversion optimization sections. This is where the AI is instructed to use persuasive language, focus on benefits over features, build credibility, and strategically place calls to action throughout the page. These elements help transform a standard landing page into a conversion-focused marketing asset. Finally, the output requirements section ensures the AI delivers a complete landing page that is fully written, properly structured, and ready to use. Instead of generating scattered ideas, the AI produces a polished page designed to attract leads and drive action. So when you put everything together, this framework is not just teaching AI how to write website copy, it is teaching AI how to think like a marketer, copywriter, and conversion strategist. When you customize the variables and paste the prompt into your AI tool, you are no longer generating random content. You are creating a complete landing page designed to build trust, generate leads, and grow your business. If you want to see how this website is built step by step using this prompt, just click the link in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.